is Trista and welcome to Zero Casualties. This vintage recipe uses toast in a drink. It is called toast water and it is from this book, the New American Cookbook, in the beverage section. So I was very intrigued to try this. So we're going to be trying it for the first time today. So it calls for 2 slices of thoroughly toasted bread. I just used store-bought bread here and toasted it really well. Then we are supposed to break this up and put it in a container. We're going to be covering it with boiling water. So this is a very interesting recipe. I have it broken up here. I'm going to break up the other slice. I'm really curious to see how much flavor comes out of this bread. So we have all of this here. I have my boiling water back here. So let's pour that over. Nice and hot. Let's make sure that it gets covered. And I'm just supposed to let this lovely concoction sit for 1 hour. It says, let's stand 1 hour, and then we will come back and do the next step. So I will see you in an hour. Hello, we are back with delicious toast water, or at least I hope so. So as you can see, the bread really absorbed a ton of that hot water. So it just says to strain it, but I think I am gonna have to try to squeeze water out of this. So I have a strainer with another measuring cup here, another liquid measure. So I'm gonna carefully dump that in there and then kind of mush it down. Looks like, oh, some water is coming out. What I wonder is if there's anything you can do with this bread afterwards. Oh, it looks almost like broth or something. So once I get enough of this squeezed out, I will do more of this off camera, but all of us are going to taste it. So yes, I will let you know. So one more update before we do our tasting. I squeezed as much liquid as I could out of that soaked toast, and I only got a tiny bit over 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to divide it into 3 of these little juice glasses, and we are going to return and give you the verdict. When I smell it, it does smell like bread, so it smells like toast. So this shall be interesting. One more thing before I come back with the tasting is it says season and serve hot or cold. So I'm not sure what they intend you to season it with. It could be salt, could be something else. So maybe each of us will choose a seasoning. So I will return with those tasting results. One more quick note before we do the tasting is this is what the bread looks like. It's very squishy. I wonder if I added milk to that and some sugar and cinnamon, I could make kind of a pudding. It looks like bread pudding already. So just wanted to show you that, all part of the process of this amazing toast water. We shall see. So cheers. I'm going to be trying this toast water, and then my husband and son are going to try it. So I'm going to try a tiny bit unseasoned first. Let's see. Yeah, it basically tastes like liquid bread. Very interesting. It has toasty notes to it. A little bit of squishy bread bits in there that come out of the strainer. So it's not unpleasant at all. It's just strange. I don't know what the value of this is really. Maybe it's for when you're sick and can't really eat much. So I'm gonna season mine. I have a little sugar cube here and a little bit of cinnamon. So maybe like a cinnamon toast mocktail. The cinnamon does smell really good. So I'm gonna stir this up. I don't think the sugar will dissolve a ton. It's just fairly cooled down by now, but let's see. Wow, that is weird. It does taste like a liquid cinnamon toast. It's actually not bad. Very strange. I guess if I were not feeling up to eating much, this would actually taste pretty good. So this is my idea of seasoning. So let's see what the guys come up with on their takes on toast water. Enjoy.
Oh, this is it?
Yes.
It's not very attractive.
No, it's not. Not refreshing.
So is it cold or is it room temperature?
It's just lukewarm room temperature. Okay. Bottoms up.
Oh, it really smells like bread. Okay, cheers. I don't know why this is like, I'm a fan of an unusual beverage, but this one is really unattractive to me. Oh wow, it's bread.
Yes.
It's bread drink.
Yeah, it really is what it says.
You actually do get. Well, it's interesting, right? Because it tastes like bread. Mm. I thought it was going to maybe taste like beer, but it doesn't taste like that at all. No. Like it's not hoppy.
No.
Or tangy. It just.
Just like liquid bread.
It is liquid bread.
Are you gonna season any portion of that? I don't know what you'd season.
You know what I can't help wondering is how this would turn out if you made it with different breads, like rye or pumpernickel.
Ooh.
Like it could actually be.
I actually might need to try
it. Could actually be kind of tasty, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
The closest thing it reminds me of is like those instant breakfast drinks.
Yeah.
Okay, not so bad.
All right, here's Adam with my tasting of the toast water. Initial impressions, it looks, has the color of bread. Yeah, this is literally just liquid bread.
Yep, it pretty much is.
I honestly thought it would have less of a flavor, but yeah, that's toast water.
Yes.
That is bread that is not solid.
Exactly. Thank you.
This is Tristan. I'm just popping on the end of this video to ask you for a quick favor. It costs absolutely nothing. So if you can like this video, leave a comment about what you thought, and also subscribe is the hugest one because I'm trying to reach above 500 subscribers so I can monetize this channel and also provide memberships and all kinds of extra goodies. So in order to do that, I need your help. So the biggest one is subscribe. Also always like the video and leave a comment about what you think. You also can join my free Discord channel where I will be having more information about the recipes there, and that is in the community section. So thank you so much for liking and subscribing and leaving comments. It really helps me grow this channel. You can also expect videos for quite a while, always on Saturdays, but also on Wednesdays for a while, at least until the end of the year. So there'll be 2 wonderful videos for you. If you like the vintage recipes, just let me know. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. Bye.